I think what it comes down to is basically the bridge contract on L0, right? I think that's where the magic is at. Because Frank, if you think about it not in the ETH terms, then that would mean that, if I emit my BTC in BTC 0, then my BTC is locked up and I can't withdraw it from there. So The minute I have emitted into BTC 0, that is the pool that is sloshing around on the network. It's just not in a place, so to speak. So it comes down to the bridge contract itself that negotiates how it's being transacted. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's exactly.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's a good way to describe it. So the Bitcoin liquidity pool is locked there, and it's locked based on the rules of that bridge contract. You're absolutely right. But talking about it as a pool there, it just means on any other network that's connected to the hypergraph now has access to that liquidity.
Yes, exactly. Which means it makes it very attractive to put liquidity onto the hypergraph, because now you're exposing yourself not only to one currency, but every other currency. So everybody's benefit. I mean, this is insane, actually, as a value prop, to be honest.
Yeah.
So that's where those incentives come from. Like, hey, stake your Bitcoin, your ETH, or any token, stake it in this liquidity pool, and we will give you some incentive for doing that.
That's exactly what's happening, because you own the tokens, but you have to use the tokens in order to make the emission across the different ledgers. That's just it. And so you have the same mechanics. It's just that the reason why I make tokens is so programmatically I can validate it.